Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Honda water pump is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for anyone dealing with water management, whether for agricultural irrigation, construction site dewatering, or even emergency flood control, offering unparalleled reliability and performance that sets it apart in a crowded market. Number 5. YAMATIC 3-4 Shaft Pressure Washer Pump. Give your old power washer a new life with this replacement pump. It's designed to deliver high performance, producing up to 3,400 psi at 2.5 GPM for efficient cleaning. Featuring stainless steel pistons and an integrated unloader with an easy start system, this pump is built to last. It offers improved seal life and reliable operation for extended use. This pump is designed with a standard SAE bolt pattern, making it compatible with many horizontal engines from brands like Honda, Simpson, and Troy-Bilt. Please check the fit guidance for specific models. It includes TRV protection to prevent overheating and a double seal system for longer service life. The adjustable unloader allows you to customize the pressure to match your engine's needs. With pre-filled oil and an easy start structure, starting your pressure washer is now easier than ever. Enjoy years of reliable service for all your cleaning tasks. Perfect for tackling tough jobs, this pump is ideal for washing walls, sidewalks, vehicles, and more. Get the power you need for a spotless finish. What we like. This pump is designed to give your old pressure washer a new life with its high PSI output. It features enhanced durability with stainless steel pistons and a TRV protection system for longer service. If you're looking to revive an existing pressure washer and need a reliable replacement for common Honda, Simpson, or Troy-Bilt engines, this is a great choice. What people say. The pressure is strong and consistent, 3,400 psi at 2.5 GPM, works just as good as the original, maybe even better. Pump itself seems durable and good quality materials used. Pressure washed the front of my house and driveway perfectly. This product works just as well as the OEM part. Number 4. Generac CW10K Clean Water Pump. Introducing the Generac CW10K Clean Water Pump. It's designed to be both powerful and incredibly lightweight, making water transfer tasks a breeze. Its ergonomic design and comfortable carry handle make it easy to transport and maneuver wherever you need it. You'll find it simple to handle, even for extended use. Getting started is straightforward thanks to the onboard instructions with clear icons. This ensures anyone can operate it with ease, right out of the box. Experience efficient water transfer with its impressive pumping capacity. It can move up to 30 gallons of water per minute, handling your needs quickly. Priming this pump is no longer a hassle. The Easy Prime funnel design allows for rapid and simple priming, so you can start pumping in no time. Powered by a robust Generac engine, this pump delivers the performance you need for efficient water removal. You can count on its power for reliable operation. What we like. This pump offers exceptional ease of use with its lightweight build and quick priming system. It can move a significant amount of water, making it ideal for larger jobs. If you need to transfer water quickly and easily, especially for tasks like draining pools or basements, and appreciate a user-friendly experience, this is the one for you. What people say. It takes approximately 5 minutes to pump 35 gallons from a creek bank 52 feet down vertically and 200 total feet. I'm getting 420 gallons an hour up a fairly steep and long hill. And I can move it to different locations easily. When pumping uphill about 15 elevation through the 2 garden hoses, 2 50-gallon tanks are filled in 10 minutes. I'm more than satisfied with the resulting 10 gallons a minute considering how portable this little pump is. Number 3. AW9461 Water Pump with Gasket OE Replacement. Ensure your vehicle's cooling system runs smoothly with this high-quality OE replacement water pump. It's designed for a perfect fit and reliable performance. Featuring case-hardened bearings, this pump offers exceptional durability and can handle significant loads and vibrations. It's built to last for extended service life. This water pump comes complete with a gasket impregnated with graphite for a secure seal. Installation is straightforward, ensuring a leak-free operation. Manufactured in TS 16949 certified facilities, every unit undergoes strict quality control. It's 100% function and leakage tested to guarantee optimal performance. This part is compatible with various Acura and Honda models, including the TSX, Accord, CR-V, and Element with 2.0L and 2.4L engines. Please check fitment for your specific vehicle. We stand behind the quality of our product with a 1-year or 50,000 kilometers warranty. You can trust in its reliability and performance for peace of mind. What we like. This is a direct OE replacement designed for specific Honda and Acura models, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. It boasts case-hardened bearings for extended durability in your vehicle's cooling system. If you're experiencing cooling issues with your compatible Accord, TSX, CR-V, or Element and need a dependable, quality-tested replacement part, this is the ideal solution. What people say. This fit perfectly and works like the original. Works good still in my car and I drive 7 hours daily. The item was packaged well and arrived on time. It seems to be of good quality, but only time will tell. My only concern is that it doesn't operate as quietly as the original equipment manufacturer, OEM, product, which was nearly silent. This one, however, emits a slight hum during operation. Number 2. High-press water pump 94 psi Honda Ang. Introducing our high-pressure water pump, engineered to move water efficiently. It's designed to tackle demanding tasks, whether you need to push water over long distances or lift it to great heights. Experience superior performance with a strong 26-foot maximum suction lift. This allows it to draw water effectively from deeper sources, making your job easier. Take full control of your operation with the adjustable throttle on the Honda engine. Easily regulate the pressure to meet the specific needs of your application. Built to last, it features silicon carbide seals that are significantly more durable. They are 2 times harder, 15% tougher, and 50% stronger than standard seals. This pump is ready for tough environments thanks to its fully welded industrial steel roll cage. It's designed to withstand the rigors of any job site. What we like. This pump is engineered to move water efficiently over long distances or to significant heights. Its robust construction includes superior silicon carbide seals for exceptional durability. If you have applications requiring water to be pushed far or high, like irrigation or large-scale cleaning, and need a pump that can handle demanding conditions, this is a solid option. What people say. It pumped 200 foot of head at a very good flow rate. The out-of-box setup was reasonable to get the pump and engine working with little effort. This is a quality pump. The pump assembly is all metal including the inlet and outlet assembly. I rotated the outlet 90 degrees with a 10mm box wrench, very simple. The Honda engine is always a great choice. Starts right up after adding oil and filling up with gas. This pump is awesome. I run as many as 18 sprinkler heads at once. No problem. Number 1. NorthStar 2 inches Semi-Trash Pump. Introducing the NorthStar 2-inch semi-trash pump. It's designed to handle tough jobs with exceptional power and efficiency. With its multidirectional discharge, you have complete control over where the fluids go. This makes any pumping task more convenient. Experience a strong maximum suction lift of 23 feet. This allows it to draw fluids from deep within. The FCD45 cast iron impeller and volute are engineered for durability in semi-trash operations, ensuring a longer lifespan. It features silicon carbide seals, which are significantly harder and tougher than standard seals. This provides enhanced reliability and performance. Enjoy flexibility with standard NPT threads for easy attachment. Connecting hoses and accessories is straightforward. What we like. This pump is built to handle tougher jobs, including those with small solids, thanks to its cast iron impeller and volute. It also offers a strong suction lift, allowing it to draw water from deeper sources. If you're dealing with water that might contain debris, like in construction sites or flood cleanup, and need a pump that can reliably handle semi-trash applications, this is your best bet. What people say. Honda engine starts easy, runs smooth, and doesn't take much maintenance. Pump self-primes quickly, and just keeps running with good suction and head lift for its size. I like that you can turn the output nozzle to where you won't strain or kink the discharge hose. Moves a lot of water for its size. Starts easily and is easy on gas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.